Meet me under street lights. Meet me where the lights.
Welcome back to the vlog. It's Sunday, and as you can see, I already started painting our room before I even thought to hit record. To catch you up to speed, I decided on this beautiful color called Ochre by Benjamin Moore after deciding what I wanted this room to feel like when I walk in, which is pretty much the extent of planning that I do for rooms when I am deciding on design and decor. So if you go all the way back to one of my moving vlogs, I show you a shot of me and Cove in this room when we first moved in, or even before we moved in. It was just completely white, really basic, had like stainless steel, everything. Over time, in the past maybe like 6 months or so, I've been updating this space, starting with the light fixture here, as well as the faucet. And then eventually hey girl. Eventually I added this beautiful wallpaper by William Morris, and I love it so much. This piece of art is thrifted as usual. This art piece is from a friend that was gifted to me. I need to fix this right here. I did that. I changed out all of the hardware. The towel holder, I actually did this today, and then I changed that out as well. And then this little table I found at Goodwill. It was only $8, and it was this beautiful green color, and it kind of goes with the wallpaper a little bit. I mean, not exactly, but it works. And I'm really happy with this room. I'm pretty much finished with it. So initially I wanted to take this mirror down because I wanted a smaller mirror in here, but I actually have grown to love this mirror. Starting the Monday off, I'm making this sweet potato black bean hash that we're gonna eat in tortillas as a little taco for breakfast. This is also something really good to have on hand if I'm on the go or just really focused with work, need a quick bite. For this particular week's restock, my customers requested the chunky Memphis squares. I typically try to make at least double the amount that I forecast will be purchased on the restock day so that there's some inventory. I made roast chicken last night and shredded the leftover chicken, added it to the tacos, and now I'm having it for lunch. 1960s Singer sewing machine, and it's in this really pretty like greenish gray color. It's gonna make me really excited to start learning how to sew. I think sewing is just such a practical thing to have in your back pocket and to know how to do. For example, Cove's jacket that I got from Zara, this is kind of a knock on Zara's quality because I just got her this jacket like 3 weeks ago. The zipper is already coming off at the seam, so I'm going to mend that. I also want to make my curtains. Currently the curtain that's in my kitchen under the sink is secured by staples. It's the afternoon, 30 minutes before Cove needs to be picked up from daycare, and today I just was feeling super unmotivated to do anything work related. I actually got, I think, most of what I needed done for tomorrow's restock. It's a small restock, so I sprinkle small restocks in within my normal bi-weekly schedule. Anyway, I went to a couple of thrift shops here in town and I didn't find much, but I did find this cute, tiny little brass tea kettle. It's so tiny. Anything miniature like this, even though it may not be actually useful, I want to buy it anyway for Cove. It's so cute. The only thing was that it didn't have a little top, little knob, so I just had this random knob from a table that I thrifted. But this, I wanted to show you guys, is the reason why I keep all screws. You know when you order something that you need to assemble and a lot of times it comes with extra screws, or basically if you are disassembling anything and you have to take the screws out, I always keep them because I always end up needing random screws. In order to put this in, I am going to just take my tiny little screw that I found that was part of something and see if it fits. Hopefully it does, and if it doesn't, then I can just add like a little bolt. There's still a little bit extra left. It's like wobbly. I think I'm gonna try to find a little bolt. So I found a bolt that fits, also stuff that I keep, and that's what it looks like, and here we go. I know the knob is kind of big for it. It makes it actually more functional. Things like this make me so happy to be a mom, like so gratifying. I think eventually I'll probably find like a smaller knob for this, but for now, this is good enough. I also picked up this cute little pitcher while I was thrifting, so I just wanted to show you what that looked like.
Happy birthday to you.
Today we are in Inner Houston. Cove had a hearing test appointment and she passed completely. And now we're rewarding ourselves by going to Goodwill and doing a little thrifting.